In the world of manifestation and the law of assumption, Neville Goddard stands as an influential teacher whose teachings have captivated the minds of seekers of abundance and prosperity. While many are familiar with his popular ladder and state methods, there exists a secret technique, an untapped wellspring of potential for attracting wealth, that remains shrouded in mystery, even to the most ardent followers of his wisdom. Today we embark on a journey to unveil this hidden gem, a technique known as the odor of money. The video is going to be so interesting, so watch this video till the end. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Neville Goddard, through his lectures and writings, emphasized the immense power of this technique as a means to swiftly and effortlessly manifest financial abundance. By incorporating the sense of smell into our visualization and manifestation practices, we can tap into the deepest recesses of our subconscious mind, expediting the realization of our desires. But what exactly is the odor of money technique, and why does the sense of smell play a crucial role in attracting wealth? In this enlightening exploration, we will delve into the essence of this simple yet potent method. We will uncover the profound connection between our senses and our ability to comprehend the intangible, and how harnessing the scent of money can anchor the concept of wealth in our minds, propelling us towards a state of abundance. Together, we will embark on a transformative journey, unlocking the secrets of the odor of money technique and witnessing its remarkable effects on the manifestation of financial prosperity. Join us as we unveil this hidden gem and discover how engaging our sense of smell can serve as a powerful catalyst for creating the life of abundance we truly desire. The odor of money technique awaits, ready to ignite the flame of manifestation within you. Our five senses allow us to perceive the existence of things, even if they're intangible. By harnessing the smell of money, we anchor the concept of wealth in our minds and cultivate a deep sense of abundance. Focusing on the scent and the resulting feeling helps us access the state of already having wealth and abundance more effortlessly. To begin employing the odor of money technique, take moments throughout your day to imagine the smell of money or use scents and essential oils that evoke a sense of wealth and abundance. Concentrate on the fragrance and the emotions it stirs, practicing this regularly until it becomes a familiar and empowering anchor. Remember, our senses, touch, taste, hearing, sight, and smell, allow us to comprehend the world around us fully. By utilizing our sense of smell to tap into the feeling of already having wealth and abundance, we create a more potent and effective manifestation technique that draws financial prosperity into our lives. Consider the process of manifesting a new home through visualization. We must vividly picture its appearance, size, colors, and location. Furthermore, we must immerse ourselves in the emotions it elicits, feelings of freedom, security, and joy. Similarly, when manifesting money, we need a clear mental image, including the desired amount and the appearance of the currency itself. This clarity enables us to tap into the sensation of already having it, ultimately leading to effortless manifestation. Remember, the purpose of engaging our senses is to tap into the feeling of already having our desires, using the sense of smell as a tool that aids in delving deeper into that feeling of wealth. Money possesses a distinct and recognizable aroma that many are familiar with. Though there's no difference in scent between a $1 bill and a $100 bill, the unique smell of money holds a significant association with wealth. By engaging our sense of smell, we enhance our visualization and manifestation practices, creating a more vivid experience of abundance in our minds. You might be curious about what money actually smells like. Dollar bills, composed of cotton and linen, possess a combination of scents that give money its distinct aroma. Smelling money helps focus our thoughts and emotions on attracting wealth by connecting us with the feeling of already having it. Smell and emotions are closely linked, allowing certain scents to trigger positive feelings. When we smell the odor of money, positive emotions and a sense of abundance are stimulated, facilitating the manifestation of wealth. To fully harness the power of money's scent, engage as many senses as possible. When visualizing money, don't just see it. Imagine its texture, sound, and yes, its scent. Hold a dollar bill in your hand, examining its texture, size, and appearance. Pay attention to the sound it makes as you move it. By involving multiple senses, you establish a deeper connection with the feeling of already possessing money. To experience the odor of money, find a quiet place and take a deep breath, focusing on the feeling of abundance it evokes. Hold the dollar bills close to your nose, gently moving them to intensify the scent. This engages your sense of smell, enabling you to tap into the power of money's odor and attract wealth into your life. Inhale the scent of money deeply, allowing it to fill your lungs. As you do so, visualize your desires with crystal clear clarity, surrounding yourself with abundance and prosperity. Immerse yourself in the joy and freedom that come with financial security. Let these positive emotions saturate your mind and body, while keeping your goals and dreams at the forefront. By doing this, financial abundance will flow into your life swiftly. This technique of inhaling the scent of money and immersing ourselves in the associated emotions is one of Neville Goddard's secret manifestation methods. While relatively unknown, it proves to be highly effective for manifesting wealth rapidly. Neville believed that imagination was the key to manifesting desires. By harnessing our thoughts and beliefs, we can create our own reality. Engaging our senses, particularly the sense of smell, allows us to create a vivid sensory experience of our desired outcomes. The more senses we involve in the process, the more tangible and convincing it becomes to our subconscious mind. When it comes to manifesting money, the sense of smell becomes a powerful tool for cultivating a sensory experience of abundance. As we inhale the scent of money, we activate the emotional and sensory centers of our brain, imprinting a deep impression of abundance. This, in turn, generates a powerful vibrational frequency that attracts more wealth into our lives. Remember, our thoughts and emotions act as magnets, drawing similar energies into our reality. By focusing on positive emotions and feelings while inhaling the scent of money, we remove any limiting beliefs or negative associations and align ourselves with the abundance we desire. Consider the power of touch, taste, hearing, and smell. These senses provide us with a richer understanding of our desires, helping us tap into their essence more fully. When it comes to manifesting our dreams, engaging these senses becomes paramount. To manifest money, it is not enough to merely visualize stacks of cash or envision numbers increasing in a bank account. We must go beyond the surface and create a sensory experience that ignites our emotions and beliefs. Think about the last time you held a crisp dollar bill in your hands. Notice the texture, the weight, and the sound it makes as you fold it. These sensory details bring the concept of money to life, imprinting a vivid image in your subconscious mind. Now imagine taking a deep breath and inhaling the scent of money. While the odor may not be explicitly associated with monetary value, it has become a distinct characteristic that has seeped into our collective consciousness. Money, as an object of desire and symbol of prosperity, has a recognizable scent. It evokes feelings of security, abundance, and possibility. Scientists have discovered that the human olfactory system is capable of distinguishing between thousands of different odors. The unique fragrance of money, a blend of cotton, linen, and ink, triggers an immediate association with wealth in our minds. It has become an olfactory symbol of prosperity, deeply ingrained in our cultural perception. In addition to the scent of money, it is crucial to engage as many senses as possible when visualizing abundance. This involves not only seeing money, but also feeling its texture, hearing its sound, and even tasting it in some cases. The more senses we involve, the more tangible and real our manifestations become, effortlessly convincing our subconscious mind that our desires are already here. To summarize, the odor of money technique is one of Neville Goddard's most powerful manifestation methods. Although relatively unknown, it significantly enhances the manifestation of abundance. By inhaling the scent of money and immersing ourselves in the emotions and feelings associated with financial prosperity, we create a powerful resonance that attracts wealth into our lives. So if you're seeking to manifest greater financial abundance, harness the power of smell and witness how it aids in creating the life you truly desire. The odor of money technique serves as a powerful reminder that wealth is not merely an external entity to be pursued, but a state of being that starts within. It invites us to transcend the limitations of our physical reality and tap into the infinite potential of our subconscious mind. The next time you find yourself on the journey of manifesting wealth, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and envision the scent of money permeating your senses. Let it awaken the dormant belief in your ability to attract abundance. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this technique by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation.